Scientists predict the global average temperature to rise from anywhere between 2.5 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius over the course of the next century. Life is already difficult at anything over 40 degrees. Imagine a world where temperatures are over 50 degrees every single day. That's talking about global warming. There is another environmental issue that we are facing called global dimming. This too is a result of industrialization and our dependence on fossil fuels, just like global warming. However, unlike the aforementioned, this phenomenon has a cooling effect on the Earth. How so? Well, global dimming is when lesser sunlight reaches the Earth's surface. The aerosols released from fossil fuel combustion reflect solar energy back into space. They also form more reflective clouds when water droplets, smaller in size but larger in number, condense around them than in normal clouds. This effectively forms a layer of mirrors suspended in the atmosphere. Thus, since the sun's energy is reflected back into space, less reaches the Earth, cooling it to some extent. This is what happened in 1991 when Mount Pinatubo, a volcano in the Philippines, erupted, ejecting tens of millions of tons of aerosols as high as the stratosphere. This caused the global average temperature to fall by half a degree, and this cooling effect lasted 3 years. As illustrated, though it offsets global warming and its effect to some extent, it brings with it its own problems. The aerosols cause acid rain when they combine with water and oxygen in the air. They cause ozone holes in the atmosphere, and they cause various respiratory issues for humans. In the worst of cases, it can also alter rain cycles and even cause droughts and famines, like the one in Ethiopia between 1983 and 85, which cost 1 million people their lives and affected at least 50 million others adversely. Thus, using global dimming as a counter to global warming is also not a particularly advantageous solution. The only long-lasting solution that would actually be helpful to everyone would be to make the change to clean, sustainable energy sources as rapidly as possible, in conjunction with cleaning up the already polluted atmosphere. Sources such as solar, wind, hydro, and even nuclear energy would be the best way to go, providing us with long-lasting, sustainable, emission-less energy.